All right, just a bit of reflection on last week's project, the balancing and center of mass experiment. It was awesome to use Flipgrid and see how everybody had kind of done it in a different way, and I really loved the variety, and I liked some people's feedback, which was good. I actually gave people feedback too. If you noticed, if you click back on your video, I was giving some people some extra guidance on how they could improve and things like that. And most people did exactly as I had hoped, which is great. Um, so on Flipgrid, uh, for those people that I did give feedback, a lot of you were just doing like flat, kind of stationary balancing, where the center of mass was like just above your finger or wherever you had placed it on the table. And these systems were kind of like static, not moving. Okay. My goal was that you were going to make something that was a little more dynamic. I used this example to show people uh, that if you have something like this where the center of mass is quite low, so the center of mass in this one is probably somewhere down here, it will balance no matter what. Okay, so I can move my hand around all over the place and this thing is still going to stay balanced, which is kind of cool. Whereas if the center of mass is above your finger, like in the tape example, if I put it here, it's not going to balance very well, or it's got a really small location where it will balance perfectly, kind of like balancing rocks on top of each other. But if you can get the center of mass below your finger, like here, it's moved down below my finger, it will balance no problem. Just like the marshmallow example, okay, where the center of mass is down here at the bottom, okay, it's probably about here. If I put my finger here, it will balance no problem every single time. Okay, and that's what I was going for. If people said that in their video, and if people were able to explain about the center of mass and the location, boom, awesome. 7 out of 7. Okay, but some people missed the mark with that, and I tried to give you some feedback and was hoping you would redo it. Okay, so that's center of mass. Each week we'll just do a small little experiment or a unit, and then we'll move on to something else to explore these kind of cool science phenomena. All right, nice job.